Good day. I am Raymond Icarido, a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, majoring in Service Management Program. I am applying for Help Desk Support Representative at Tech Hub Philippines. My academic journey has equipped me with a strong foundation in IT service, management, and customer support. Through my coursework and hands-on experiences, I've honed my skills in troubleshooting technical issues and understanding customer needs and providing efficient solutions. For example, I recently worked as a support representative during a simulated project where I handled incoming support requests via ticketing system, assisted user with common technical issues such as password reset and software troubleshooting, and provided actually step-by-step solutions. This approach not only resolved issues efficiently, but also significantly improved response times and user satisfaction. I believe I'm a great fit for this role because I combine technical expertise with a passion for delivering exceptional customer service. I understand the importance of clear communication and empathy in helping users navigate technical challenges. Additionally, my adaptability to new tools and technologies ensure I can quickly integrate into your team and make an immediate contribution. Thank you for considering my applications. I am eager to bring my skills and dedication to Tech Hub Philippines, and I am excited about the opportunity to make a positive impact on your teams. And I look forward to discussing how I can contribute to your success in an interview. Have a good day.